I just used 3 different unusual fire effects, and every single one of them was Ocean Reef. Yeah! Hug me, brother! You know what? I'm into it. You want a hug? Come on.
Let's go.
Yeah!
There you go.
A tank has entered the area.
This is, scary.
Oh, you can put stickies on it too, for some reason.
What the f*** is this?
The map is kind of cool.
I actually really like this. I think that the sentries on the card is kind of stupid, but the map is really good. I'm making so many friends. Why would you do that? Homeboy thought he was safe to type. Oh, I found their spawn. I love the shotgun on heavy. Holy mythical goober.
Spy's dead.
The spy is
I
dead.
saw to it. I saw to it.
What the fuck is this room? Oh, what? Oh, this map has so much character. I f***ing love it.
And if they put on a Wrangler, I'm gonna go Enforcer Spy. Cause f*** that. I ain't about that.
That'll be funny. Gaben, please nerf the card by removing it. You know, I was really against the bear hug, but okay. As soon as I say that,
Oh shit, I see a sniper.
come on, someone bring it in. Bring it in while I'm healing.
Well, that lasted a long time.
No one's bringing it in. Oh, I thought there were stairs here. Well, there kind of are.
There's stairs around back. Jesus.
Oh, God!
Oh, God, that's a nice weapon.
I'm gonna butter you, Chris.
That was offensive.
I'm sorry.
You know what?
It's okay.
Fuck you. I'm gonna unsyrup your pancakes.
Hey, don't say that. Hey, man, that's too far.
Yeah, that was really funny.
That was f***ed up.
And Butter's gonna unbutter them.
I will do that though. I will take away your butter.
Come on.
That was gas passed.
The strapping,
Oh, no!
young
Oh no! It's the crab!
It's on their team too. We might lose.
The control point is being contested.
Oh. Yep. And that's why we don't like the quick fix. That was the most clueless sniper I've ever seen. Oh my god.
I'm blue now.
Why does this keep happening?
It's always in the last 60 seconds.
Not today. Oh, yes, today, apparently. Not today! Thank you, Eddie.
Yeah, if you let them have it. Oh, you can just go down here.
Oh, I thought that was a death pit. What the f is this?
Medic, don't die on me, medic! Don't die!
Oh, someone get SpongeBob his water!
Maintenance. It's not a right. It is a right, not a privilege. Oh, wow.
Witness the Megalodon. Oh,
We're just all here, Oh.
Annihilated. Come on. Yeah.
Okay. Good crits. We just taunt him. What the? Why did you taunt?
Because there was other things to shoot.
Not you.
Shaquille O'Neal. That spy got to walk away from that? Oh god. You're done!
We did it.
Come here, baby.
Oh. They... That's never gonna not be funny.
What?
Oh.
This is a big boat.
I'm sorry, little one.
Well. They're not even trying to jump on point. They forgot about the objective.
Oh, that was the final point.
Snipers, there's a scout behind you! I'm sorry, Bob!
Just,
Alert. The control point is being contested.
what have you done?
Let's try to...
Spy behind you!
No! That's a blue heavy! With a medic, who is now fully charged. That's an over! Don't go that way. Don't go that way, soldier. Please don't go that way. I warned you! That was, not the brightest idea. Behind you!
Damn. I'm blue now.
Why does it keep happening?
All right, I'm blue now. I just started shooting blue people.
Oh, this fucking game.
Yeah, I did! Did the thing!
Get Why did he do that? Did I just hear you start doing the conga?
You did. You have two try-hard pyros, and I nailed both of them.
That's
I
funny.
was very happy. I still haven't lived down the high from the Halloween update where we got crit bison killed.
I keep on going back to that video, and every single time I see that, I feel joy from my previous joy.
3, 2, 1.
Come to Heavy. Heavy wants this. Good try. Come on. You are going to need much bigger.
Annihilated.
In 10 seconds.
His bloodline is gone.
You know, We didn't get any wacky item on head hats, and we didn't get any power wheels. So you know what? This is a pretty good update.
Oh, that doesn't look right.
What the f was that?
What the f was that? No, he's my friend. No. Hug denied. Oh my god! I don't know what just happened, but I apparently killed 2 people.
Okay. It's kind of funny. Oh my god, I started spectating you see an arrow go through your face.
I crouched into it. Oh, I don't like that.
Okay, now that I'm dead. Oh, he's got flip-flops.
I just played the role of a meatball. That works. I am getting so sick of these huntsman snipers. Turned him into art.
No! Oh, he got me. I'm blue again.
You gotta be f***ing kidding me. That's literally back to back.
I kept typing retry, but kept misspelling it over and over again because I was typing too fast.
I do that a lot. Manhole.
Okay. Manslave!
What?
Manslave! You don't know about that, do you?
No, I don't. That's why I said what.
It's even better than I remember.
Oh! I completely forgot about that.
Unslave! He had his toolbox out and was rubbing his face up against the wall. I was a little concerned.
I'm sorry, can we talk about what Corn just said in chat?
Oh! Wow!
That was smart.
"11 huffs fine, 12 huffs poop man come, aye."
This is a specimen.
Dude, there's little Team Fortress rats in the sewers. You can't shoot them, though.
What?
There's cockroaches, too. There's little Team Fortress rats in the sewers.
Well, now I have to see the port rats.
He's right. Ambush.
Thank you, Doctor!
Oh no!
Very well.
Oh, that's not right.
Kiss me.
Mission ends in 30.
What is wrong with this taunt?
We must do this! First time!
What is wrong with this taunt? Okay, well I found one of the rats you're talking about, but I don't see what makes it so TF2.
Do you have eyes, sir?
Yeah, it looked like a normal ass rat to me.
Point of think distance.
What, like photorealistic?
Yep.
That looks photorealistic to you.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
Are you on acid 24/7?
Maybe. What do you do, accuse me?
Damn. Stop missing!
Okay, fuck, I'm sorry.
We have lost
You did it. You stopped missing.
Ooh.
Send it.
Ooh. I could really use a needle.
Well, why don't you just say so? Let's take a hit together. Show me those big old toe veins.
Oh. Well,
Oh, I'm on the wrong side.
of history.
The right side of Christery.
You're a Christorian too?
Damn, I was chasing a sniper and he disappeared.
We got him.
Where was he?
He was retreating to spawn. I'm fucking dead. I thought the medic would heal me. He's not.
This map looks cool so far.
I'm kind of into it. I feel like I didn't do too much and I somehow top scored. And I was also late getting here. What do you mean I top scored?
I felt like I did a lot, but I didn't.
Would a hug make you feel better?
Yes.
That's not right!
Okay. I don't like that.
Why does it keep doing that? I'm making so many friends. Epic Demon Frisky? I want you to know, I misread that as Epic Donkey Fist.
Dude,
I don't know how.
that's bad.
That's dyslexia in action, everybody.
Oh, you can't get up.
Yeah, we can.
Shit. Oh my god!
I'm a f***ing hoodie ninja, baby! Wow, this is a really far walk. We had an engineer. What happened to him? Okay.
has received a
What the f*** am I hearing?
That engineer taunt killed. The sound effects super f***ing loud for some reason.
I am going to rush the Brass Beast Heavy who's currently revved up and shooting.
Imagine that with the fly set. What would that sound like?
Oh, do you think that even does anything?
What it up pitches the banjo?
That's a good point.
Do you have an Eternoween?
I have plenty of Eternal Wings. I think we're gonna need to test this now.
Well,
hang on.
I am harassed. This is a Turnoween!
Oh God!
that sounds horrible.
My God!
3, 2, 1. Control point enabled. Alert. The control point is being contested.
Oh, that is awful.
That's insane.
They didn't think this through very well, did they?
I got a crit. I got a crit kill with the crit from the f***ing shooting minigame.
That's funny.
Hey, you should come up to the left.
I'm here. What's up?
This is the best map ever.
Mall of Mirrors. What?
I'll give it a minute.
Oh! Oh! Holy f***.
It's a little buggy.
Look at how fed I am in the right! Holy f***.
I'm quite amused with this. Don't ruin fun. How many people can it render at once? Oh my god!
Let's crash the f***ing game with this.
We must do this!
Hooray! Oh!
Oh no!
Source engine sorcery? Boy, it's really buggy.
It is. It's quite buggy. Oh, I see Halloween eyes. He thought we would notice.
Oh, he didn't change it?
I mean, to be fair, if a haunted boardwalk is haunted, it probably wouldn't stop being haunted during the day, right?
That's a good point. Are you real? Oh, I think you saved me.
I try to be.
Are you real?
I think there was supposed to be more, but Blue knocked them all down. Oh, I'm on a killing spree.
I was juking that scout pretty hard. He has no health left. Yeah!
Mission ends in 30 seconds. Mission ends in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Where'd that engineer go? Well, that sucked for him.
He actually got a headshot on me, but the brass beast damage resistance saved me. Oh no!
That's so f***ing weird.
Why? You've turned me into a scout right now with this extra speed. Let's keep it up.
Means extra speed.
Snextra. I see you doing the conga.
It's a heavy. I want nothing to do with that. Oh, I found a funny spot.
Yeah, you have. Oh my god. Wait, I could probably get up there. No, I can super do this. I can super do this. No! If I could just make it on top of that lip.
Wait, I can whip you. Alright, get over there. Get.
Yeah! No! You
Don't worry, I got you. I'm
Wait,
right behind you.
Oh. Alright. I made it! Oh, but there's a sentry!
Is dominating, finished off, got revenge. That's always hot.
No.
What the fuck?
I'm having a bad time.
Why'd you do that?
I wanted to get over to the dispenser, but they have... Why do they have sentries around every f***ing corner?
No one's seen me.
Do they have a level 3 overlooking everything?
Yes, they do.
What? No.
Hey,
no.
you found it!
It shot me through the wall!
Wow. All those engineers just kind of gave up. Sorry, I started spectating you and a crit went right by your face.
Yeah.
You think Killing Floor 3 is going to be Game of the Year?
No, no, it's no, no, you f***ing clown, no, no.
What's this?
I don't know, but I'm into it.
How much of this map is underwater?
All of it, probably. Oh my god, what the f***? Okay, found out there's a spy. What's the point in playing Pyro here? Can I help you?
Can we drown?
Good question. Oh, we can. We can super drown. This is certainly unique, but I don't think I like it. Or at least a water part. Where did that spy go? Did he get got? I don't know if he got got.
But there's a spy disguised as me.
He didn't get got.
Pino's time machine. Alright.
No, I can't do anything there. I'm out. This is the first map I think we've come across that I can officially say is not good. Like, it's unique. I love the idea of it. It does not play well.
I wouldn't vote for it.
Panic attack!
Hey look, no more water.
I'm pretty happy about that.
Where does this go?
To our depths. To our depth! Yeah!
It's Jover for them.
Oh no! We blew up a f***ing shark! I'm just gonna go ahead and say, I still think the underwater section is stupid, but that was fun. Overall, map selection this year around, I think, is pretty decent. I don't think I'm a fan of this one though. I'm kind of with this guy. It feels very small.
3, 2, 1. Control point enabled.
Burn you, bitch!
The control point is being contested.
He burned. Ice issued family separator!
What?
Our pyro has a 3rd degree named Ice issued family separator.
Oh my god!
Holy
shit! I need to see this!
It's Joe.
Oh my god!
Our control point.
Jesus. What the f, Joe?
Oh right, I don't have the Fist of Steel.
Thank you!
The more I play this map, the more I like it.
Oh, I made someone rage quit.
You rage clit?
I keep saying that. I don't know what's wrong with my tongue. I shouldn't
Say
have won
more
that.
words, funny man.
I don't wanna. It'll make fun.
What if instead of overtime, she said oval time?
What if instead of overtime she said Ovaltine?
Our control point
I disagree.
captured.
What do you mean you disagree?
I said what I said.
Most people can't stand this sound, but I can listen to it forever.
He got a crit on him. How much damage does a mini crit from the atomizer do?
Not a crazy high amount.
Just trying to remember,
I'm dead.
but I cannot.
I don't even know what to say about that. I just... okay. I guess I just got f***ing owned. Well, you're really going for the pan plays. You made it work!
Dude, I got 4 crits in a row, 2 in the heavy and then 2 in that soldier. He was overhealed.
Okay, well now
I almost didn't make that.
now I gotta go for it.
The stairs ate my milk.
I got their medic! I got a crit on him! No! He has
Give it
21 health!
No! He had 21 health! Why is there only a small health pack all the way back there? What's the point of that? That's where that annoying piano playing is coming from. Hold on, where's my force of nature? There we go. China is a very large country filled with many Chinese people.
Very good.
Yeah, it is. what kind of a comment is that?
Obama.